Also, don't forget to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, where you can explore our guide to learn how I build YouTube, guides for Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, DIYs, how to market your business and brands online, and more. Every month, we add a new guide to help you grow your business. You can preview the videos of the guides. Check the Academy link in the description to join for free. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I want to share with you a little bit of behind the scene, like I always do, in regards to event and going about planning for your events. So usually when I have big events and such as this, I would go ahead and order my flowers in bulk. So in today's videos, I'm so happy to share with you one of my top favorite vendors that I usually go to purchase my flowers in bulk. I received a delivery in the mail the other day, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys to show you guys how the boxing look, how the flowers are packaged inside of the boxing. I am here guys today to share with you guys the type of flowers that you should get, and the qualities of flowers, and if the flowers are good or not. And I can't wait to show you guys the flowers for this event that I have coming up. Okay, so because I know that's one thing as event planners that we always have in our mind on the type of quality flowers we are using for events, whether it was real flowers, whether it was fake flowers, we always want to make sure that we are getting the best quality flowers. And that is one thing that I could say I'm really big on. If you've been watching my channel now, you know I am big on getting amazing quality flowers for your events. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and go with the unboxing with you, but I also wanted to thank each and every one of you guys who was part of my 4-hour virtual live masterclass. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys who attended, who was a part, and who stayed there throughout the 4 hours. And I really truly hope that you guys walked away with lots of value. It was an amazing experience. I really don't know on when I will be hosting another masterclass, but definitely stay tuned to my channel. I will be giving you guys any updates if I am hosting another masterclass. Right now I am super busy, so I don't know when I will have the time to host another masterclass, even though I do not have an exact date yet. Next, if you were part of my live masterclass, you will know that I did share with you a vendors list on all the vendors on where I purchased all my items, all my centerpieces, all my flowers, chairs, linens, everything. I shared all of that information with you guys on my live masterclass. You guys also had a written out template on my vendors list on where I purchased all my stuff. So I know if you were in the masterclass, you guys should have received my vendors list template. Today's video, I'm only going to be sharing with you one of these vendors from my vendor list on where I shop for my flowers in bulk, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. I cannot wait. Are you a future bride or planning an event? Are you an event planner and you would like assistance with your business or building your online brand? Well, guess what? I would like to share with you that I do have a 1-hour consultation call that you can book with me today. Click the link in the description box underneath this video for a 1-hour consultation call. Okay guys, so here's the box that I received in the mail of my flowers that I had purchased in bulk. So it took about, depending on the shipping time, it took about a week for me to receive these flowers, depending on the shipping method that you choose. So this is how this vendor packaged their flowers when you do order them in bulk. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my knife or scissors or whatever that you have to open it. Okay, so the color combo for this event that I have is a royal blue event with ivory and silver. So of course, due to the type of wedding that I am going to be doing, I decided to go to order my flowers based on those colors. Okay, so you choose whatever flowers that you're going to be ordering. This vendor has a variety, and I am talking about this vendor has a variety of flowers, okay? So when you open a box, your flowers are gonna look like this, boxed in. Sorry if it's a little bit all over the place. But this is all the flowers that I ordered. Like lots of flowers, guys. Huge. So I'm probably gonna kind of go into the flowers that I had ordered with you guys. Let me kind of put them here on my counter. I'm just kind of laying them out for you guys so you guys can see. I even ordered some beautiful orchids. Now, if you know, orchids are extremely expensive, but this vendor, I believe they have orchids for an amazing price, okay? So I think I didn't really do a count of how much flowers that I ordered in total because I usually kind of know how much flowers I would need, like in my head based on how I'm going to do the arrangement, okay? So this is a flower head that I ordered, already done, ready to go. I ordered 4 of these flower heads. Okay, so that's one of them right here. So that's the good thing about this vendor is you can also order your flowers already done, ready to go. If you do not want to deal with putting the flowers together yourself, you can also have this vendor put the flowers together for you as well. The size of this head is about 30 centimeters in diameter. So it's the perfect size head for if you would like to do a flower bowl, which I am going to be sharing with you on how I go about doing that, okay? This is the bottom of it. Next is I ordered this flower panel. I ordered about 3 of these flower panels to do a backdrop, okay? And the backdrop I will also be sharing with you on my channel on how I go about doing my backdrop. I feel like I did a backdrop tutorial before on my channel, but I'm gonna go ahead and do an updated backdrop tutorial video on how I go about putting my backdrop together since I received this new floral panel. Now this floral panel is already done, ready to go for me to, do my backdrop. I do not have to customize it myself. However, I can design it to the color and add extra flowers if I need to this floral panel. So it's just to make your workload a lot easier for you if you do not have to do the flowers yourself. You purchase the flowers already made, already to go, and all you have to do is literally just customize it to the color and to the look that you want, okay? It will save you lots and lots of time, guys, trust me. So I believe I ordered about 3 of these flower panels. I'm probably gonna order more of them because my backdrop is pretty big, but for now I ordered 3 for my backdrop arrangement. This is the second one, and just look how beautiful it looks, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. Like I said, look, it's coming from the box and it does not look squished or smushed or like it's not falling apart or anything. The way they construct these flowers is pretty sturdy. It's either they hot glue those flowers in, so those flowers are pretty much stuck in place. They won't move, they will not come out, which is what I love. So one thing, like I shared with you guys on my channel before about these flowers, is I like to order the basic colors flowers, okay? I order them in basic. You could either order with greenery if you like, and then I just order different other flowers to customize it based on the wedding that I'm doing. So if the wedding that I'm doing, the bride or whoever's event that I'm doing wants blush flowers, okay, I am going to order, some blush peonies, some blush roses, some blush cherry blossom to add into this color. So this is my base color, and I just customize it and design it to the wedding colors or to the look that the bride would like, okay? Because you always have to go with your basic colors, which I believe your basic color should always be ivory or white, okay? So this is the second one, and remind you, this box is a pretty small box for them to compact all these flowers. Now this is the second flower head that I ordered. This is another flower panel that I have in there, okay? So as you can see, it already comes ready to go. The final 2 flowers that I have in there is these flowers that I'm also gonna be using for my backdrop. I'm gonna show you. These flowers are already done and ready to go. So this floral I am going to attach it to the legs of my backdrop for when I do my little swag on my backdrop. I am going to customize it to the flower colors, and then I'm going to go ahead and use it in my backdrop. I would do a backdrop below. Comment below if you would like to see how I go about putting my backdrop together with all of these florals that I purchased. So I purchased 2 of those, okay? I'm going to show you on how I go about customizing it and attaching it to the backdrop, okay? So that's pretty much it. Here's the box. This is how the box looks, and this is how this particular vendor boxed up their flowers. Now, every vendor is different, but I'm just sharing with you the vendor that I go to on how they do their packaging, okay? So let's get into all these flowers that I've ordered here. So with my phone, I'm gonna get into all the flowers. I'm gonna go to my order to tell you how much of those that I ordered for my event. For this event is for a total of 100 people. So I usually tend to order the flowers amount based on how many floral arrangements that I have to do. So I did order these right here. These are roses. Okay, they come in 10 heads. And for the 10 heads, guess how much they were? $3, guys. $3 for 10 heads. Tell me, where do you go in a store nowadays, such as Michael's, such as Hobby Lobby, to get 10 flower heads, roses, for just $3? This is why I love ordering in bulk in this website. This is the perfect place to go if you want to order your flowers in bulk. So, and then you got these flowers about the same price from the vendor. These are roses. These are royal blue roses. So this was 10 heads. These are peonies. Okay, these are like a dusty rose and like an in-between combo. Okay, so these were about $4 for 10 heads for these peonies. Okay, and then I also ordered some beautiful orchids. Okay, look at these orchids. They're beautiful. Look at these orchids. The orchids were about $3 for the orchids. I will list in the description box underneath this video on this vendor on where you can go ahead and get your flowers in bulk for your event planning business, guys. One thing I must say I love about this flower panel, guys, look how thick and full this flower panel is. So you really cannot go wrong, guys, with purchasing from these vendors. This is not my first time ordering from these vendors. I've ordered from this vendor multiple times before. So this is a vendor that I trust, that I speak to, that whatever type of flower customization that I want, this vendor is usually my go-to. Definitely when I do host a masterclass, do not hesitate to be a part of this masterclass, because I share so much information in this masterclass, guys. You just do not want to miss out. If you want to grow your event planning business, if you want to know about pricing, I even went into that with my last masterclass. These are things that I can share with you guys on how to do all of that. So I have about 14 floral arrangements that I have to do, that I have to customize with these colors. So I will definitely show you guys on how it came out. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was just a quick video of me sharing with you guys one of my vendors that I usually go to purchase my flowers in bulk. I truly appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always being there. And thank you everyone who took part of my masterclass. I truly appreciate you guys. And stay tuned for my next masterclass, and stay tuned for my next video.